Today we're taking a quick walking tour, part 2 of the 1996 Bayliner Trophy 2509 here in Niceville. The owner has replaced lighting with, of course, LEDs. We have a saltwater washdown and some absolutely gorgeous cushions, and these are removable. Of course, we have plenty of storage. We have our front view of the 2008 Suzuki 4-stroke 225. We have a 2-drawer tackle locker, 2 extremely large live wells, or fish boxes, if you will, one on this side and one on that side. There is a live well right here. Moving forward, I want to show you this, folks, because this is rare. There's a 2509 sitting right across from me. Notice the windshield doesn't go up all the way. This one goes up all the way, and where it doesn't go up, we have brand new isinglass. Crystal clear, you can see right through it. Trim tab controls, a new Suzuki controller for the 1-year-old windlass. We have a 3-year-old spotlight, remote controlled. We have a Furuno 1621, and of course an ICOM ICM 422 VHF. Now down below, this is going to surprise you. This is really going to surprise you. The cushions are only 5 years old. One of them is still in the wrapper. We have a porta potty. We have a cooler. We have plenty of storage. We even have a sink and a cutting board. Now, stepping back out, I want to show you just how roomy your fishing cockpit is. And this has been the Quick Walking Tour, Part 2. I appreciate your time. There are more pictures on Yacht World, Boat Trader, Boats.com, and iBoats. Look forward to any questions you may have.